this A to Z of hospitality was actually written to decode the very complex world of hospitality, where it was written mostly for the students, but also for anybody outside the industry who wants to have a peep in what's the hospitality is all about. So there are a lot of alphabets which might have got alternate meanings or alternate substance, but then what I thought is basically we stuck to the traditional, stuck to the basic. Ambience is what A is, because it's also not about the decoration only. Is luxury and caring, is luxury and hospitable, and you feel like, wow, this is ambience, this is a place I want to be. So ambience is A is ambience. Bold is of a person, action or idea showing a willingness to take risk. We have seen in the hospitality space over the last 5 years or last 7 years, there has been so many bold initiatives that has disrupted, that have changed the face. You talk about today the food aggregators like Swiggy and Zomato. You talk about Oyo Room. Ritesh Agarwal is a very good friend, and he is now possibly the number 2 in terms of the number of rooms owned by anyone in the world. So in a lot of ways, he's number 2 in the world in terms of the rooms he owns and operates, next to Marriott. You talk about Indigo, because I put an Indigo logo also on the page actually, because Indigo is boldness. For those people who talks Indigo as very cool, but I think Indigo is also very bold because they came out with this bold ideas. They are the first guy who came with the chicken jungly sandwich, which became an icon in the years to come, and hundreds of other initiatives spearheaded by Aditya Ghosh. I think bold is courageous. Sahas is courage. Sahas is being bold. If you don't be bold, if you don't have the courage, if you don't want to come out of your comfort zone, I think you are missing the plot, because now you need an idea, not asset, not money, not capital, not crores, not lakhs. You need an idea, and you need the boldness, you need the sahas, you need the courage. So bold is beautiful. Bold is sahas. Bold is what IHM stands for. Bold is dare to do. Hospitality actually rides on the pillar, few pillars, and I think that one of the most important pillar of hospitality is courtesy. Whether you call it politeness, yes, to a great extent, courtesy is politeness. We have also used humility in this book, but then a part of humility also transcends into courtesy. But without a courtesy, whether it's a hospitality industry or whether it's any industry, I believe, I think this is a basic for any civilized society. So I feel that to all our students who have now just joined hospitality, just remember that the basic courtesy are the foundation of hospitality. Courtesy is something that don't cost anything, but it pays very rich dividend. And I think in our industry, it is not just something which you need to do, it is something which you have to do. Well, my favorite word will be date, but no. I think for hospitality, it is a detail. I think it's a date with detail, if you like, to really make it more romantic, because detailing is basically what hospitality is all about. If you have gone to a 5-star hotel or a 5-star or a star restaurant or a great cruise, you will find that first of all, they say there's a saying, everything in its place and a place for everything. And that's reason very famous saying by the iconic Mr. P.R.S. Oberoi, that in our industry, there is no minor detail, there are all major detail. So detailing is the key to our life. Even in your life, you have to make sure that details, details, details. You cannot really live a superficial life without digging into the detail of it.
IIHM
International Institute of Hotel Management.